In this video, I'll show you how to reset the service intervals on a BMW F10 with the N57 engine. The reset is done through the service menu in the instrument cluster. From this menu, you can reset different services such as engine oil, brake fluid, front or rear brake pads, or the vehicle check. In my case, I needed to reset the brake fluid service. Step 1, turn the ignition on, so all warning lights appear on the dashboard. Wait about 5 seconds until the service due message disappears. Step 2, press and hold the trip reset button for about 5 seconds until the service menu appears. Now we are inside the service menu. Step 3, press and hold the trip reset button for about 3 seconds. The display will reset. Press and hold the trip reset button again to confirm. Wait until the reset is completed and the message reset successful appears. After that, you can use the trip reset button to select and reset other services, such as engine oil, vehicle check, or front and rear brake pads. The reset procedure is the same for all services. Once everything is reset, turn the ignition off and then start the engine. And that's it, the service has been successfully reset.